And it is a really pretty lipstick. Ah, yeah. Lip stain. And it does not taste good. Ew. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a first impression on this baby right here from Midas Cosmetics. It is the High Times palette. I love makeup and I don't really like all the drama associated with makeup unless it's Juvia's Place, not getting my foundation and concealer in me. But this is what I wanted it for. The colors and the formula. Oh my god, y'all. These are stunning. 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 So this palette is $20. And if you guys use this link that I'm going to link up above, but also in description from my friend Nessa, you can get 20% off of your order for this. There is not a lot of these left. It is a limited edition palette. So if you like those beautiful earthy toned fall vibey colors, I think you will love this. Wait until you see the pigmentation, y'all. It is ridiculous on my eyes. I was like, what is happening? But as always, I show swatches with every new palette on my channel. So here is the swatches for this Midas Cosmetics High Times palette. And here is my Instagram handle below. If you guys want to go follow me on Instagram, I have a lot of swatches of all the palettes I use on my channel. And I'm pretty proud of them. I'm pretty proud of them, but you know. But anyways, if you guys would like to see how I did this and what I think about this palette, then just keep watching. Y'all, I forgot to record this, but holy pigment. This is Cynics, and this brown right here is incredible. It's a dark brown, but it's not like a poopy dark brown or like a dark chocolate brown. It's like a burgundy dark brown. It has the slightest bit of a purple hue in it. This is so pretty. I am, wow. I'm speechless. This is a great first impression so far. Go Midas. I think it looks really pretty. These colors actually work really nicely together. Alright, and I'm just going to add in another orange, the Trainwreck, which is that really pretty pumpkin orange, and blend this even further. And I like to lift my eye so I get all those wrinkles smoothed out when I do very precise blending, and I use a very small pencil brush. This pigment is stunning. Midas Cosmetics, yes. Ooh, that is beautiful. Alright, so that is so pigmented. I'm just gonna soften the edges of this out and go ahead and do my other eye, and then we'll be right back to cut my crease and apply the rest of the colors. So I'm gonna do this eye and then I'll do this other one off camera, but I'm going to do the greens and the golds on my cut crease. And I think what I'm gonna do is just use that initial brown color to deepen up the inner and outer corner first. Okay. By the way, if you can hear my fans going, they're useless. Why are they even on? I'm not even getting a breeze. But if you do hear like, then that's my fan, and I'm sorry, but my sunroom is death. For all of this, I'm just going to use the exact same brush. It's my favorite brush for tiny hooded eyes. It is the JH42. With my technique that I use for gradients, I like to take whatever color I'm putting on next. I like to start with the darkest. Always start with the darkest. And then I like to slowly tap in my next color, and I lay down the pigment, and then what I do after the pigment is in, I will very carefully and slowly pull it into the brown. And not completely over, just very, very softly. You guys, I was talking to my friends on here on Marco Polo. I was talking to some of my friends and completely forgot to go in with this dark green first and then the shiny green. So, oops, this is not part of my technique, but what I'm gonna do real quick is just very carefully tap this green right in between the two. This is not my technique, and now I've just messed everything up. I'm sorry, but this is what happens when you talk while you try and do makeup. Alright, so I have added some shimmer, and I am going in with Little White Lies in Yellow Tails, and this is a really beautiful soft gold, and I feel like it would be perfect with this. And I am going to line the top gold area only, and then I'm going to put it in my inner corner and sweep it across my lower lash line. My lower lash line, I also went in with a green, and it is Sage, and it is this beautiful sparkly green. And for eyeliner, I actually went in with Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Space Dust. Holy crap, I said that real fast. And it's just a really pretty champagne sparkly color. In retrospect, I should have done this before I put on mascara, but you know, I'm not smart. You guys, I realized I was not recording at all this entire time, and I'm over here talking my head off. For blush, I went ahead and used Tarte Double Duty Beauty, and I used this color here, Learn. And I was saying how I want to try and use some more products that I haven't used in a while. So kind of going to be pulling out older items as we go. And for highlight, I used Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting in some color, Golden Flower Crown, because I wanted to bring in a little bit more of a champagne sheen. I did talk about the palette. I said how beautiful it was, how pigmented it was, how buttery soft these colors were. I didn't go into the cooler tones, but you guys, look how beautiful these are together. I mean, these colors would be so lovely in a look. Nice, bright, fresh green. And also, I mentioned how lately I have not been wearing eyeliner to try and make my eyelids look as big as possible because they are hooded. As soon as I use eyeliner, it takes away a lot of potential lid space. Let's move on to lips. For lips, I'm going in with, I don't know what this is. It never has it on it. I think it's like Paris Rouge something. It'll be in the description, but it is in the color I Am Power by L'Oreal, and it is a really pretty lipstick. Ah, yeah. Lip stain. And it does not taste good. Ew. Alright, you guys, that is all I have for this, and I can't say anything bad about this. These are absolutely beautiful. I am so incredibly impressed with them. I can't wait to try more palettes from them. But that is all I have for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!